When you search for best lightweight ladder stands, everything looks the same. Same colors, same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what doesn't, you have to dig deeper.
Product number 1, Little Giant Work Platform. The Little Giant Ladder Systems Work Platform. This caught my eye with its sturdy aluminum build and a weight rating of 375 pounds, priced at just $40.94. If you want a reliable work surface that gives you the freedom to use both hands safely while you work, this is worth a serious look. The broad surface of this platform means you can stand securely at any height on your ladder. This is crucial because it allows you to maintain balance while working on projects, which means less chance of a fall. Plus, it helps you finish your tasks faster because you can easily reach everything without constantly moving. With over 500 sold in the past month, it's clear that buyers appreciate this convenience. Now, some users mention that the platform can feel a bit heavy to carry around. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for stability and don't mind a little extra weight, this isn't a deal breaker. You're investing in safety and efficiency here. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tradesperson who needs a safe, stable platform to work from. Skip this one if you need something ultra lightweight for casual use. For the price, it's a solid buy. Now, if the weight of the Little Giant platform is a concern for you, the next one on my list takes a different approach with a more portable option. Product number 2, Diacoco Ladder Stabilizer. The Diacoco Ladder Stabilizer, priced at $35.99. Honestly, what caught my attention was its promise to protect your roof and gutters while providing stability. If safety around edges is your primary concern, this is definitely worth a look. This stabilizer features heavy-duty steel construction that helps support your ladder around windows and gutters, easing your mind when working at heights. The rubber feet add another layer of protection by preventing slips and protecting your home surfaces. The fact that it's easy to install and fits various ladder types makes it even more appealing. It's selling fast with over 500 units bought recently, which speaks volumes about its popularity. However, some reviews pointed out that the installation instructions could be clearer. But here's the thing. Once you get it set up, the stability it provides far outweighs any initial confusion. If you're cautious about safety, this is still a fantastic option. This is perfect for you if you often work on roofs or gutters and need extra support. Skip this if you're looking for something that doesn't require any assembly. For under $40, it truly delivers peace of mind. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize stability.
Product number 3, Homidom Ladder Stabilizer. Let's talk about the Homidom Ladder Stabilizer. Priced at $36.99, this one caught my attention because of its impressive 450 pounds weight capacity and its upgraded design. If you want something that adds serious stability to your ladder setup, this is worth considering. This model features a unique design with large rubber pads to prevent slippage, making it really safe to use on various surfaces. The additional structural crossbar enhances its stability, which is vital if you're doing work like painting or gutter cleaning. The versatility to fit different ladder types makes it a favorite among buyers, as shown by its recent sales of over 300 units. Now, I did see some reviews stating that it might not be compatible with every model of ladders, but here's the thing. If you have a common ladder type, this shouldn't be an issue, and the added safety is worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a contractor or someone who frequently works at heights. Skip this if you have a very specific ladder model that it might not fit. For just under $40, you get a lot of value. Now, if the compatibility issue of the Homidom bothers you, the next product might be a better match for your needs.
Product number 4, Mr. Ironstone Ladder Stabilizer, priced at $32.99. What really stood out to me was its robust construction and impressive weight capacity of 500 pounds. If you're searching for heavy-duty support, this is one to check out. This stabilizer is made from high-quality forged steel, which means it can handle a lot of pressure without compromising safety. The anti-slip rubber pads on both ends are a fantastic touch. They prevent your ladder from moving and protect your wall and roof surfaces from damage. It's designed for easy installation too, which is a huge plus for anyone who doesn't want to mess around with complicated setups. Given that over 200 units have sold recently, it's clear that people are trusting its reliability. Some users mentioned that it might feel a bit bulky on smaller ladders. But honestly, the trade-off for added stability and safety makes it worthwhile for most jobs. This is perfect for you if you need serious stability for tasks like gutter cleaning or roof work. Skip this if you have a smaller ladder that won't accommodate its design. For its price, it offers incredible peace of mind while working at heights. Alright, that was a great option, but let's move on to our final product, which offers a different, unique feature.
Product number 5, Toriaxin Ladder Extender Pro. We have the Toriaxin Ladder Extender Pro, priced at $62.99. This one's unique because it offers an adjustable height range of 13.4 inches to 19 inches, which caught my eye immediately. If you're looking for something that adapts to different situations, this is definitely worth a closer look. The adjustable feature allows you to find the perfect height for your ladder, which is crucial when working on uneven surfaces. Its non-slip feet ensure that you can work confidently without worrying about slipping, and the durable steel construction means it can withstand regular use. It's versatile enough to work with various ladder types, which makes it a great addition for both indoor and outdoor projects. It's also been selling well, with over 200 units purchased recently. However, some reviews pointed out that at this price point, it might be a bit more than what casual users want to spend. But here's the thing. If you regularly find yourself needing an adjustable solution, this could save you time and effort in the long run. This is perfect for you if you often deal with uneven surfaces or need flexibility in your work. Skip this if you only need a basic stabilizer for occasional use. For a little over $60, you're investing in quality and versatility.
So, which modular helmet is best? The Cyril wins for budget value. The ILM 902L adds safety with LEDs. The 953 brings Bluetooth for tech lovers. And the B707 offers retro versatility. And the base ILM 902 is a solid starter pick. Each has trade-offs, but all meet DOT standards. Pick based on your ride style, not just the price tag.